Hey guys, Mike with A&M here. Today we are gonna go into this dumpster and take everything off top and like an arm's length into the dumpster. We're gonna take out all this garbage on top. So with the stimulus checks coming out, people are coming to restaurants a lot more often. They can't just have trash laying everywhere. So that's what we're here to do. And we're gonna show you how we're gonna make $250 in less than 30 minutes doing this. Hope you guys enjoy the video and we're gonna get right to it. All right guys, we got that all taken care of in 20 minutes. And now we're gonna go to the dump. If you wanna see more videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you next time.